To begin, I wanted to give a little intro in what we're doing in these tutorials. And with the Foundation Builder Guide, this is just an illustration of what we're doing as we learn principles of creation. We are adding to our roots and our foundation. And that's where any foundational principles reside in us. It's like in our root system, if you can imagine us like a tree. And as we add organic environments and materials that nurture us, that is in the outside of our tree environment. And those include those eight organic environments that I have in my article. If you have read that, I can send that out as well. But you can see them throughout the site in the children's content, mother's resources. You can see incorporating through nature, incorporating through movement, incorporating the principles through this discovery experience of nature, movement, or language. And of course, anything with singing, that's music and sound. Anything you bring in nature, creation and nature, those are the words that I describe them as. And that's what we're doing when we're adding these elements, symbol and story, and body and movement, and things like that. And then what I've experienced is as we build foundation and we are adding the environments, we're unlocking the chambers of our heart and the other chambers inside of us that unlock our true self. This is all assisting in unlocking the chambers within us. And that could be unlocking that genius within us and unlocking the connections that we are making inside of us and that we're drawn to, that bring about the fruits of the tree's living mission, or the tops of the tree.